Yo, what's up, guys? Trust me, Randy here. And holy crap, what is going on with Dogecoin? Dude, guys, this is a coin I've been watching for. I've known about it for a long time because it was like, one of the cheaper cryptos back like 5 years ago that I could buy. But I mean, holy crap, just look at this, yo. Just look at this, yo. That is insane. That is that is ridiculous. Why? 700, almost, yeah, basically 650%. And guys, like, what just happened? So, in my opinion, I personally, I was watching one of Andre Jake's videos, and he was totally right. I personally, I always believed Dogecoin or Dogecoin, however you want to pronounce it, was definitely gonna be on the move up. And I was fortunate enough that I actually bought it. I would say somewhere here, around there. But I honestly, for the future of the coin, I honestly think that I honestly think it's gonna hit $1 because the Wall Street bets meme, dude. After what they did with GameStop, I would not be surprised because Dogecoin fits the meme. It was started as a joke coin to be the internet's currency, but it's just at enough where like if you put $500 into it, and even if you lose the 500, if you lose all your money. By the way, this video, do not trust me. Just some random guy on the internet. You could lose all your money. Just don't listen to me. But honestly, I think with the upside, I'd probably maybe wait a little bit because I mean we're in a really, really overbought condition over here. But when we're looking at the RSI, like we're totally bought, but it just keeps going up. And I'm wondering that if it does hit, massive media gets on this because I mean, dude, there was a 800% jump today on Dogecoin, which is just absurd. If the mass media gets on this, I'm telling you, I honestly think the average retail investor that has not heard of Dogecoin will start pummeling into it, and it's gonna make some crazy money. So even if it goes up to $1, but the question is how long are the cryptos gonna keep going like that? In my opinion, I think we still have some time to go with the way the stock market's going, and kind of roaring because of COVID. I can't really say that word. I gotta edit that out, but. Well, I'm not monetized, so it doesn't really matter for me. But, I honestly think I'd probably give it about a year time frame before, the vaccine gets rolled around, and everything stabilizes, and people come out and they're like, oh. And that's when I kind of see the markets coming back down. But until now, dude, I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. I mean, we were just talking, and what are we up? 20%? 20% and just a little bit right there. Well, that's a couple hours, but give or take, we just saw that bar increase definitely at least 10%. But guys, I mean, I think I wish Bitcoin would come down, but in my opinion, why I think Dogecoin, it fits the meme. It's kind of like a big FU internet currency, and buy in at the low time. Now it's a little bit high. Maybe I would wait, see how it plays out tomorrow. But you buy in and you sell high. Super simple. But that's why I got these indicators. And I'll share the course that I took on how to get the indicators. But for crypto, these don't work too well. But guys, I mean, I think there's more upside to spending $500 and trying out Dogecoin. I mean, you can make a lot more. I mean, obviously you could lose everything, but if you lose 500 at the end of your term, yeah, it may not be a lot. But with the way the market's soaring with Bitcoin, and because of COVID and people, especially after the Wall Street bets, in my opinion, because this is going to be on the news, especially tomorrow when everybody wakes up and they're like, oh my gosh, what just happened with Dogecoin? What is Dogecoin? Even me, Kevin, finally figured out what Dogecoin was, and he dumped some money. He doubled his money. He put in like 25K. Now he's at 50. He's definitely over 60, I would say. So in my opinion, I think this is just gonna. My prediction, because of the media, because of Wall Street bets, because of what Robinhood and the big tech giants, not tech giants, I would say the hedge funds with blocking trades, blocking people from selling. I think this is going to be a big FU. They're going to turn around with the momentum from Wall Street bets, and they're just going to pummel into Dogecoin because there is no SEC. There is nothing. I even saw Robinhood, and I was trying to sell a little bit, get sell a few on the low when it dropped to a little bit over 0.69 from like a high of 0.8. I was trying to sell in there, and I got stuck, and I couldn't buy anymore because Robinhood wouldn't let me. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. Am I going crazy here, going all in on Doge? I mean, I'll talk about other investments that I got, but I think for something you make a quick money, I could wake up tomorrow. I mean, it is 1 a.m. I could wake up tomorrow and have nothing. But if you spend $500,000, you have much more to gain, which is why I wish I would have got on Bitcoin, but I missed it because I was too young. But if it ever comes back down, I will definitely be waiting for Bitcoin. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching me, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you.